In this video, I'm going to talk about the serial numbers when you are doing an inventory adjustment. So if you go to items and you go to an inventory adjustment here, you can go to new quantity adjustment. So you can say here that it is an inventory valuation, for instance, and you can say item 35. So the new quantity on hand is going to be 10, for instance, and it will ask you to add the serial numbers here. So again, it's giving you another piece. So yes, generate serial numbers. So we started at 49, so it's going to 50. That's it. And we just hit save as draft, adjust to adjusted. So what that's done is that is added in another 5 items, all with a serial number attributed to it.